Ever walked into a cafe and forgot your English? Let's fix that. Today, I'll show you how to speak like a native in any cafe.
Hi, could I get a cappuccino, please? Can I have a latte to go? I'll take an Americano, no sugar.
Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Ma'am, room for cream?
Nope, fill it up.
For here or to go?
To go, thanks.
Well, this was the confused version. Not bad, but not confident either. Let's upgrade it to sound more natural, like a native speaker. Ready for part 2? Let's go.
Hi. What's your most popular drink? And I'm in the mood for something sweet. Any suggestions? Well, can I get a large iced mocha, please?
Sure. For here or to go?
To go, thanks.
Ma'am, and topping, ma'am? Whipped cream?
Yes, extra sweet, please.
Now you're ready to order with confidence. Like, comment your favorite coffee and subscribe for more real-life English.